It's Dr. C. Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then when the bell appears, if you click on that, YouTube will most likely notify you when I post a new video. Today, as promised, I'm going to unbox my Good Fortune box. I look forward to this every month. Rachel and Sam are awesome. I'm a day late because actually should have gotten the box the day before, but I'm not going to talk about the mail service here in this small little North Alabama town. You would think it would be rather simple, but it's not. So anyway, let's get this box open. Speaking of packaging, wow. All right, I got it. And I can't wait. I can hardly wait to see what we have. Oh, wow. It's always wonderful. What an exciting time of the month. Always we have our uh, notes from Sam and Rachel. And oh, great. All kinds of interesting things. Wow, let's get to it. Oh, the packaging is always so neat. Look at that. If you're not a subscriber, check them out. They have a Facebook page. I'll try to link that below because they are wonderful, guys. They really are. And they put a lot of work and effort into this. So let's open it up and see what we have. Oh, all right. Feng Shui is the theme for this month. What in the world? Oh, yes, look. It's a map of China, and my green screen's gonna mess it up a little bit. But look at that. It's vinyl. That is wonderful. And look, it shows all the points of interest. So when you have those lessons, great. This is wonderful because what I can do is I can go over here off of my green screen and I can use that with my students, and I can even find out uh, where in China they live. That is wonderful. At least what region. I don't really, I don't want their specific address. Well, unless I'm sending them a gift. But anyway, that is great. Thank you, guys. That is wonderful. This is always just like Christmas. This is what I've been waiting for. I knew that we were going to get a wonderful t-shirt, and look, Teacher Dr. C. Oh, I love it. They, that's what I'll be wearing. All right. That's great. Thank you so, so much. I feel like it's Christmas and I'm thanking someone for my presents. Oh, awesome. Look at these chopsticks. They are metal. That is, those are beautiful. If chopsticks can be beautiful, I guess they can. And I feel sort of like, well, feel like Christmas, like I said. And here I go putting things back up. At Christmas growing up as a kid, I drove my parents crazy because I would unwrap a gift and then I would put it back in the wrapping. I don't know. I just wanted just one of those idiosyncrasies that I had. So anyway, there they are back in the packaging. Yes, mom and dad, there I am still doing that. Okay. And ooh, summer nights. Summer nights. I won't sing, I promise. I was gonna let you smell. Yeah, It's been a long morning. So, smell? Smell. I can tell you it smells really good. Awesome. Love that. Oh, I needed this. Look. Yes. Okay, I know how I'm going to be. But actually, I've needed it for my neck, and that would work, actually. My neck has really been bothering me the last 2 days, so I don't know what's going on, but something's got to change because I can't keep going like this. So this comes in handy. I'll be using it on my neck. Oh well, nothing like adaptation, huh? Oh look, and we have some, what are these? What are these? Uh, oh, these are greeting signs. Ah, hello, welcome, and goodbye. Awesome. That will be perfect. Look, awesome. This one is, what is this one? This one's goodbye, I think. No, maybe not. I think it is. I'll figure that out. But anyway, those are great. I know I'll be using these because my kids, they love it when I say ni hao because I'm sure it comes out with a southern accent. And of course, here's the fortune. Life is a balance of holding on, letting go, sorry, and knowing when to do which of the two. That's perfect. I needed that. This is an emotional time for me. So I needed to hear that because sometimes you just need to let go of things, and sometimes you need to hold on. And so that is, first of all, there's nothing wrong. It's just an emotional time of year for me. My mother's birthday's coming up, um, and so that's a little tough for me. But anyway, gosh, don't do that, Charles. I love this box. Ah, love it, love it. I'm getting such a collection of these boxes. I have one, two, three, four, five. However many months they've been in operation. One, two, three, seven. I may be missing some, but anyway, I subscribed from the very beginning. And guys, if you're not subscribing, I'm telling you, you're missing out. See all the wonderful things you're getting, even stainless steel chopsticks. I'm going to learn to eat with chopsticks. I've tried, but it's always been in public and I've never really wanted to do that. I didn't want to end up with the food on my lap. So I've watched my students, of course, yeah, as they put that big noodle or that big dumpling in their mouth and you're trying to get them to say a word. But anyway, these are terrific and I will use every one. Rachel and Sam, you did it again. Good job. Let's see. I think that Rachel and Sam get, oh, they get this star and they get a thumbs up. Oh, thumbs up. And where is my little dancing star? Because he's my favorite. Guys, this is what I use with my level ones. If they're not, if they're not understanding my reward that I use with my other classes, I'll use that little dancing thing. And let me show a little trick I saw someone do. I'll put that on there and say, you got a star. And then I'll go, and then I'll click on the star. Then it'll show up on their computer. And they get a kick out of that. So anyway, put that back on there because I like that dancing star. I am rambling. So I need to go have some coffee and rest a little bit. And I've got to go mow. Uh, Such fun, especially in the Alabama heat. Guys, you are terrific for following me and subscribing. I appreciate it so much. We're on our way to 100 subscribers, so tell your friends and let's get up to 100. And I think we'll have a giveaway when we hit 100. All right, guys, thank you for stopping by. Goodbye.